babe. You know we've been dating for so long now.
Continue.
We've been dating for decades now. It really shows that I'm deeply in love with you.
Really?
Yeah, for real, I'm deeply in love with you. And you know what? I'm not going to leave you no matter what. Come rain, come thunder. I'm going to stand by you always.
Will you keep quiet?
Don't lie.
I know I'm not lying.
Serious?
I'm telling the truth. You see, I'm deeply in love.
God have mercy.
I'm dying with love. Oh.
Wow. Oh, look at me. I love you with all my heart.
I know. Okay, I brought you this apple. You see, this is another symbol of love now.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes, you have to chop it later when you are free.
Yeah.
And you know, I'm going to bring you some more gifts later. No?
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you, babe.
so I'm planning to go and see your parents so that we can take this thing further.
So I don't know. What's your plan?
Yeah, I was planning to go to see your parents. Yeah, at least if I can go and see so that we can negotiate the lobola payments. You see. Because right now I really need you by my side.
Okay.
You see, yeah, for real, I want you to be the mother of my children.
Oh, so babe, promise me you won't leave me.
Never, I will not leave you. Even if I see a snake or a lion, I will kill it.
Oh, I
No.
Hey, snake, hey, I love you so much. Hey, you know what is a snake? What is that? Uripi. Hey, I love you so much. Hey, snake. Lion, what lion?
I'm tired of all this.
Oh, I'm tired of all this nonsense. Now, see now. Zoka banapa, zoka ndukutaurire. Uya uno. Hey, wena. Come back.